Hi everyone. Good evening, guys. How are you all, guys? Everyone? Audio both are clear, all of you? For everyone, audio both are clear? Someone? Right. Okay, we'll be continuing our discussion on this all-state PSC PYQs of this surveying. So, all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone get ready to crack, all of you. Everyone is ready to crack or not? Everyone get ready to crack, all of you, right? So this is my profile, you can follow me at which, and this is a referral code you have to use, right? If you wanted to follow my profile in Unacademy, you just observe below this video there is a blue color banner highlighted. So when you click on that, you will be redirected to my profile in Unacademy, you can say. Okay, right? Now that is my profile link, you can follow me at which, and this is a referral code you have to use always, right? Whenever you are subscribing for the plus and iconic courses, so what is the referral code you have to use always? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always, right? Which referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use, right? These are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy. And now those who are taking iconic subscription for 1 year or more than 1 year will be able to get which one? Right? Will be able to get what? Will be able to get the physical notes, right? Printed notes of this Unacademy you will be getting, right? And there is a very good offer going on, all of you. So what is that offer here is Unacademy goal, right? You can achieve your goal by means of this Unacademy goal opportunity. 20% off you will be getting when you are using the referral code RP Civil Live. When you are using the referral code RP Civil Life, how much discount you will be getting? 20% discount you will be getting in your app, you can say, right? App, or you can subscribe to the plus and iconic courses through this app or through web link or whatever it is you can use, right? So these are all GATE 2022 toppers from Unacademy. These are all ESE 2021 toppers, right? So some course special class wala is the complete or MCQs only. Yeah. Which subject you have completed in special classes? Other than some transportation, highway engineering I have done. For highway engineering I have done, right? Highway engineering I have done. GATE and ESE point of, sorry, state PSC point of view I have done this highway engineering, right? Pranav. In special classes means some course, okay, some course special class wala, that is completely our MCQs. That is completely Tajamul. That is complete, right? All theory and all PYQs, right? SSC JE PYQs, state PSC PYQs, ESC PYQs, GATE PYQs, all I will be discussing in that SOM course. Okay, Tajamul. Okay, all I was discussing there, right? Don't miss this, right? So these are the new batches going to start. Use the referral code RP Civil Live, right? What is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use when you are subscribing to the plus and iconic courses, right? Which codes you have to use? RP Civil Live. Okay, so this is what Unacademy Lite subscription only for test series point of view. If you wanted to subscribe only to the test series, you can go for this one, right? Good evening, Lena. I have said good evening in the starting only, right? So now coming to our discussion of this compass surveying. So what I will try to do is next chapter onwards, right? Next theodolite survey will be going for, theodolite or tachymetry will be going for. From that point onwards, whenever any repeated models are there, I'll just bring at a place and I'll try to solve one among all the questions, okay? So that we can complete all of them quickly now, but I'll give all the questions to you, right? Now coming to this today's class, YouTube live class on this surveying, all state PSC PYQs, you can say, right? Which chapter? Compass surveying, numericals, bearings and included angles and declination we are discussing. So select the answer for this, all of you. 230 question, all of you. Write the answer for this 230 question, everyone, all of you. Write the answer, all of you. So this is a new type of question. We did not solve this kind of question previously. So you be careful and solve it. Anyone? Anyone write your answer? C. Anjaneli said C. Any other answer from others? Any other answer from others, all of you? So if you just observe, whenever it is a parallelogram means, right, consider a plot of land in the shape of a parallelogram ABCD, right? It is in the form of which one? This is a parallelogram ABCD if you just observe, right? Further, the angle BAD is the bearing of this line BAD is, and the bearing of the line AB is 30 degree. What will be the bearing of this line CD if you just observe? What is the bearing of this line AB if you just observe? Bearing of this line AB will be equal to that 30 degrees, right? What is the bearing of this line AB equal to? Bearing of this line AB is given as your 30 degree, right? Whenever it is given as your 30 degree, how can you write this if you just observe? You can say with respect to north, it will be having 30 degree na. Let us say this is your north, yes na? So AB, bearing of this line AB will be which one? This is 30 degree, you can say, right? This angle comes to be, one sec. I'll be drawing it with a different color, right? So this is your AB line, you can say, right? What is this line? You can say if you just observe, this is your AB line if you just observe, right? Whenever it is your AB line, yeah, B is already written now. So this angle comes to be that 30 degree if you just observe, right? And angle BAD, right? BAD, right? So BAD means what? This is 30 degree and this is also 30 degree means what is it you can say? This is also 30 degrees, na? Yes or no? One second. What else is given? Angle BAD is also given as 30 degree in the question, right? Angle BAD is also given as 30 degree means angle A is given as 30 degree, na? Yes, angle A is given as your 30 degree, right? How can you make this angle if you just observe? This is your 30 degree and you will be having some angle like this, right? Yes, na? So this angle is which one? 30 degree. Yes, na? So what is it 30 degree? The angle BAD is a 60 degree. Actually it is a 60 degree and bearing of the line AB is a 30 degree, right? This is your 60 degree you can say. And what is it? This is your A and this is your D if you just observe, right? Then what is that? Bearing of this line CD. Bearing of this line CD is nothing but if you just observe all of you. Can we say because of this parallelogram conditions, right? What is it you are having? So bearing of this line, right? Magnetic bearing of this line BA will be equal to that magnetic bearing of this line. Which one? This CD, right? Both lines bearings will be same, na? Yes or no? Both lines bearings will be same or not? Yes, right? So how can you get the magnetic bearing of this line BA if you just observe? So 4 bearing, right? 4 bearing, by default bearing is nothing but your 4 bearing only. 4 bearing of this BA is equal to how much? Back bearing of which one? Back bearing of this AB. So what is that back bearing of this AB if you just observe? So 4 bearing of this AB is given as what? 4 bearing of this AB is given as your 30 degree, right? Because it is lesser than 30 degree, we have to add 180 degrees to it, right? If it is greater than 180 degree, deduct 180 degree, right? When you are adding 180 degree, it is how much it comes to be? That 210 degree, na? So this is equal to that magnetic bearing of this CD also, na? Bearing of this BA is nothing but your 4 bearing of BA by default. So which is nothing but bearing of CD, right? So which option is correct? Option C is correct, right? Two parallel lines will have same bearing value always, right? Now select the answer for this 231 question, everyone. Select the answer for this question, all of you. See, if you just observe, right, here, Anjanelu, if a 4 bearing is lesser than 180 degrees, right, if 4 bearing is lesser than 180 degree, what is that back bearing? You can say 180 plus this theta, right, 180 plus this theta, right, what is the theta? You can say that 4 bearing, you can say, right. Suppose if the 4 bearing is greater than 180, what you can see, if the 4 bearing is greater than 180, so what is it, that back bearing is equal to, let us say that 4 bearing is theta, so theta minus 180, we have to make it, right, like that. Okay, always the difference between the 4 bearing and back bearing must be 180 degrees, that's it. Okay, we have to maintain like that. Or you can say, if we just observe, this is theta, let us say, and what is it, you can make, can we make this also as theta? Yes, we can make this also as theta. And what is this one? Can we say this is your 180 degrees? So now tell me, what is the 4 bearing of this BA? 4 bearing of this BA and back bearing of AB, both are same, na? So this is 180 plus theta. What is it, theta? 30 degree. 180 plus 30, 210 has come into picture, na? Yes or no? Yeah, because two lines are parallel, na? So why it is like that is, since BA line, right, BA and this CD are parallel. BA and CD are which one? This is parallel, right? So two parallel lines will have what? Same bearing, right? Two parallel lines will have what? Same bearing, you can say, Anjanelu. Two parallel lines will have what? Same bearing, if you just say. Right, that is what, right? So because if you just observe, it is a parallelogram, means it is a parallelogram means bearing of this BC is equal to AB as AD, bearing of this DA is equal to bearing of this CB. So bearing of the AB is equal to DC, bearing of this BA is equal to CD, you can say, right, like that. Is that clear? Is that clear now, Anjanelu? Right, like that, bearing of any two parallel lines is same. You are asked to identify bearing of CD, but bearing of CD is equal to bearing of BA. Already you know the bearing of AB. Bearing of AB we know. So bearing of BA is nothing but back bearing of AB, na? Yes or no? Like that, you can say. Now select the answer for this 231 question. Select the answer for this, all of you. Tajamul D. Any other answer by others, all of you? Any other answer by others, all of you? Anjanelu, what is the answer? Anjanelu also said it. Right, the quadrantal bearing of line AB is north 18 degree 20 minutes west. What will be the bearing of line AB into whole circle bearing system, right? What is that, you can say? We just observe north west, na, this is your north east south west. If you just observe north west, if you just observe, right, this is your line AB. So what is that angle given? Let us say this angle is your theta, right? What is that theta? If you just have 18 degree, this is 20 minutes, na, but we want whole circle bearing, right? Whole circle bearing means from north side in a clockwise direction, right? This is your whole circle bearing alpha. How can you get this whole circle bearing of this line AB? That whole circle bearing of this line AB will be equal to that alpha. So what is that alpha is equal to? So 360 degree minus this theta, right? What is it 360 minus theta? So that is your 360 degrees minus what is that theta? 18 degrees 20 minutes, right? How much it comes to be then? So it is 341 degrees 40 minutes if you just observe, right? So this is option D correct now? Yes, this is option D correct if you just observe. Is it clear? Yeah, Naveen, good evening. Yeah, after a long time, Naveen. Yeah, tell me, this is 232 question. Tell me. Select the answer of you. Select the answer of you for this question, everyone. Select the answer of you. B. Sunil Kumar said B. Right? So what is it? You can say sum of the exterior angles for a hexagon is, right? So here let us say that n will be equal to which one? This number of sides, right? Let us say that n will be equal to which one? This number of sides of a polygon. Number of sides of a polygon. So what is that? Sum of this interior angles, right? What is it? Sum of this interior angles, if you just observe, sum of this interior angles is equal to that 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Okay, but sum of this exterior angles is equal to how much, everyone? Sum of this exterior angles is equal to 2n plus 4 times this 90 degree, right? 2n plus 4 times this 90 degree, right? Here the question is exterior angles, na? So what is that? N given, n is equal to 6 and sum of this exterior angles is equal to how much? 2 into 6 sides, na? So hexagon means 6 sides, na? So plus 4 into how many times, right? That into 90 degrees if you just observe, right? What is the value you can say? Is it not this 1440 degrees? Yes, it is your 1440 degrees, you can say, right? So this is which one? This 720 will be sum of these interior angles it comes to be, na? That 720 will be sum of the interior angles it comes to be, right? Is that clear, everyone? Yes, na? So what is that interior angle? Whenever you are having a polygon like this, so these are all which one? These alphas interior angles, let us say, right? These are all alpha interior angles if you just observe, right? What is this one? Interior angles, you can say, yes, na? And what are these exterior angles if you just observe? This is your beta. This is your beta exterior angles, right? These are your beta values, exterior angles, right? Sum of these betas will be equal to how much? This is your beta, right? What is that? Sum of this, right? Sigma alpha is equal to this one and sigma beta is equal to this one, right? Like that is a clear, right? It is third unit. It is third unit, Naveen. It is third unit, Naveen, right? It is third unit, you can say. Okay, right. Next question, 233 question. Select the answer of you. Yeah, for interior also n equal to 6. N is nothing but number of sides, na? Number of sides will not change, na? N is the number of sides of a polygon will not change, na? Whether it is interior angles or exterior angles. Number of sides of a polygon, number of sides will not change, na? So the number of sides will not change. It's not Anjanal, you have to be careful. N is the number of sides, not the angles. You have to be very, very careful, right? For hexagon, n equal to 6 always, right? For pentagon, n equal to 5. For octagon, n equal to 8, right? Like that. For decagon, n equal to 10. (233) question, all of you? B. Tajamul said B. Any other answer, brothers? B. Sunil also said B. Right, we'll see which one is correct, right? What is that? The whole circle bearing system, south 25 degree 15 east corresponding to. Okay. Excuse me, this is your north, this is your south, this is your east, and this is your west, right? So what is that angle given? If you just observe, this theta is given as south to east, right? South to east. What is that value given? This is your 25 degree, that 15 minutes now, 25 degree 15 minutes. So we can say this is your, from north it is a clockwise angle, right? This is your alpha, right? What is that alpha? You can say that a whole circle bearing, is equal to alpha equal to that. Can we say that 180 minus this 25 degree 15 minutes? So 180 minus 25 15 means how much it comes to be? 154 degree this 45 minutes now. Yes, 154 degree 45 minutes it comes to be, right? Like that, right? Select the answer for this 234 question of you. Just south 25 15, it is 20 east. Okay, how much it is that angle, all of you, everyone? (234) question, select the answer. Select the answer of you. Here, why? The back bearing corresponding to a fore bearing of south 20 degree east, right? This is your fore bearing. And what is that back bearing? You can say that back bearing is nothing but that south will become north and east will become west, and that 20 degree as it is, right? Which option it will be? We just observe, right? North 20 degree west, na? North 20 degree west. Actually, it is 70 degree, not 20. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. That is what you are searching for. It is 70 degree. That is a typing mistake then, right? Yeah, north 20 degree, right? North 20 degree west is the correct answer, right? North 20 degree west or north 70 degree west, right? So north 70 degree west means which option it will be? Option D is the correct answer, no? Yes, option D will be the correct answer, right? Like that. So select the answer for this 235 question, everyone. Select the answer for this 235. Within 2 days, we'll be finishing off this, okay? So from April onwards, we'll be entering into this theodolite survey. There, what I will do is I will just skip the repetitive models. Okay, don't miss this, all of you. 235 questions. Select the answer of you. Naveen said B. Observe carefully. Any other answer by others? Tajamul said D. Other answer? If the bearing of line XY and XZ are 26 degree 10 minutes and 298 degree 15 minutes, then the value of this included angle ZXY is, right? Means angle X you are asked to identify, na? Angle X you are asked to identify if you just observe, right? What is that angle X you are asked to identify if you just say? So what is that value given? First one, XY line is 2610, right? For XY line it is 2610, right? Yeah, BDC, par this side C. Okay, we'll just check it, don't worry. We'll just check it, guys, don't worry. We'll just check it, don't worry. Anyone? XY is 2610 means 2610 means it is in the first quadrant only, no? This is your XY line, right? This is your XY line. So let us say what is that you can say this is your theta 1, right? Let us say this is your theta 1, right? Anjaneyali said A, B, C, D are all covered. Very good, very good, very good, boys and girls, right? And what is that given if you just observe that theta 1 is equal to how much? That theta 1 is equal to that 26 degree 10 minutes, right? It is equal to which one? This 4 bearing of which one? This XY. Now, and XZ is what? 298 degrees, right? 298 degree means it is in the fourth quadrant, na? XZ, right? This is your X, that is your Z, you can say, right? So what is that? 4 bearing of this XZ is given as, let us say this is your theta 2 is equal to 298 degrees 15 minutes if you just observe, right? 298 degrees 15 minutes you can say. So what is this angle? So from this north, right? What is that you can say? From this north it is given as how much angle? From this north this angle is what? 298 degrees, that 15 minutes, right? ABCD. Very good, right? This is your theta 2, na? This is your theta 2. Now can we say if we just observe what is this one? You just get it as alpha. What is that alpha you can say? Can we say alpha is equal to that 360 minus this theta 2? What is that 360 minus this theta 2? 360 degrees minus what is that theta 2? 298 degrees, this 15 minutes, right? 360 minus 290 15 minutes, how much it comes to be? 360 degrees minus which one? This 298 degrees 15 minutes, right? How much it comes to be? 61 degree, right? 61 degrees 45 minutes, right? 61 degrees 45 minutes, right? Now tell me angle ZXY, right? ZXY, right? It is moving from Z to X and X to Y means you are asked to identify this angle, right? You are asked to identify this angle, right? Further, in one of the previous class also I said if you just observe, in one of the previous class also I said if you just observe, if by default included angles means by default you have to go for internal angle, okay? Internal angle you go for, right? What is that you can say? It is nothing but your alpha plus this theta 1. What is that alpha you can say? 61 degrees 45 minutes plus how much? Theta 1 is how much? Right? What is that theta 1? 26 degrees, that 10 minutes, right? What is that you can say? Angle ZXY means how much it comes to be? How much it comes to be? 87 degrees, right? 87 degrees. Yes, include internal angle by default you have to select Anjaneyali, right? Internal angle we have to select by default, okay? Internal angle only by default we have to select, right? 87 degrees 55 minutes, right? 87 degrees 55 minutes, right? Actually it is 55 minutes, right? Option, which option is correct? That is typing mistake happened. Option A is correct. Is that clear everyone? Okay, is that clear everyone? Is that clear? We take always which one? Internal angle. Internal angle. Yes or no? Internal angle means generally it will be smaller angle. Yes, no? Yes, it will be it is a smaller angle, you can say, right? Yes, a survey in progress of anti-clockwise. Yes, yes, absolutely. So we are going to measure this angle in which direction, right? So this internal angle direction, internal angle only we have to select now by default. Internal angle only we have to select by default, right? If you are using that normal formula also, you can get it the same value. Yes, no? Right. Forebearing of the forward line minus back bearing of the backward line. If you are using that formula also, you'll be getting the same answer. Okay, right. Select the answer for this 236 question. Yeah, yes, yes. Clockwise means left to right. Generally, path you can say it is from left to right. Right? ZXY means ZXY. Right? ZXY you are telling. Yes, yes, absolutely. You can say ZXY anti-clockwise direction. If you are yes, path correct. Right? Path correct. That also can be correct. You can say that is also correct. You can say. But if you are doing work in the reverse manner, it will be different then. Okay. Select the answer, everyone, for this question, 236 question. Arey yaar, observe carefully. Tajamul, you just observe. The whole circle bearing of a line is 180 degree, then its reduced bearing is, right? Yeah, what is that you can say? So if you just observe, this is your north, you can say, this is your east, you can say, this is your west, and this is your south. If you just observe, right? What is that line you are having? That line is like this, right? We are having this is the line AB, let us say 180 degrees, right? This is your 180 degrees angle you are having now. So 180 degrees angle means, right, what is that bearing you can say? That a reduced bearing is equal to what? South, which one? South 0 degree east, which is equal to that south 0 degree, which one? This west. So instead of representing like this, what you can represent? Simply you have to represent south, right? Which one is more appropriate answer? Option C will be the more appropriate answer, right? B also can be correct, right? B also can be correct, right? But when south is there, which one is better to represent? Tajamun. When south is there, which one is better to represent? South is better to represent when south is there. Okay? South is better to represent when south is there, instead of south 0 west or south 0 east. Is that clear? Is not? Right. So this is 237 question. Select the answer of you. When south is not there, you can select south 0 west or south 0 east. Anyone is okay. But south is there, you select south only. Okay? We'll stop with this question for today. To the 237D, part set D. See, from next chapter onwards, just give me some idea. So if repetitive model questions are there, shall I just skip these questions or shall I solve those also, even if repetitive models also there from the next chapter onwards? What should I do? Tell me, all of you. One way is I'll just keep all types of model question, all types of this previous questions at a place, right? Asking the same parameter but different numbers. I'll just keep it at a place. I'll solve one question, or I'll solve all questions one after the other. Which one should I do? Just suggest me, all of you. In whole circle bearing system, north 20 degree 15 west is corresponding to, right? What is it? North 20 degree west is corresponding to. This is your north and this is your west, na? This is your east and this is your south, you can say. All questions, even though repeated model, okay, no problem. Okay, no problem, right? Yeah, okay then. We'll try to do. We'll try to do then. Whatever. So shall I proceed in the same manner? Shall I proceed in the same manner as we are doing now, or Okay, okay, I'll take, don't worry. So this is which one? This north 20 degree 15 minutes west, no? North 20 degree 15 minutes west, right? North 20 degree 15 minutes west. So what is that you can say? North 20 degree 15 minutes west, right? What is that you are asked to identify? Whole circle bearing you are asked to identify, na? So what is that a whole circle bearing? This is your whole circle bearing or not? Let us say this is your theta, this is your alpha, right? What is that a whole circle bearing? That whole circle bearing is equal to that 360 degrees minus which one? This 360 degrees minus this alpha, sorry, theta. What is that 360 degrees minus theta? So 360 degrees minus this 20 degrees 15 minutes, if you just look at it. What is that value? Can we say it is your 339 degrees 45 minutes, right? 339 degrees 45 minutes. Option D will be the correct answer, right? Option D will be the correct answer, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, all of you? Right? Yeah, Patel. Uh, Approach time and revision for mains questions plus theory. Yeah. Already mains classes are going on, na? Parth Patel, right? KP sir and other faculty, Jaspal sir, these faculty are taking mains classes, na? You just go through these mains classes, you will get some idea. Okay, you will get the idea how to approach these questions, right? In a single one I cannot explain here, na? Okay, don't worry. Or if you want, you can just contact me, I'll explain it over a call, no problem. Or you can just start attending which one? This KP sir plus courses are started, na? Krishna Prakash sir started, Jaspal sir, Dusyan sir, these people have started, na? Yes or no? Either you can contact me or you can just follow those lessons, right? Which are mainly for mains, right? You will get idea, don't, no problem. Okay, okay, Parth, right? Thank you all of you, have a good day. We'll meet again tomorrow with